Hey, what's up? It's Zach with Botron, today with another how-to. We are going to get the calibration certificate from your Elite Complete tester. We are first going to start with the Elite. If you hold the pound key for a few seconds, you will see the IP address listed. In this case, it is 169.254.79.15. So we're going to go ahead and go over to the computer for the next step. We're going to go ahead and type in the 169.254.79.15 into a web browser. And once we are on the page, we're going to navigate to the Calibration tab. Once you are on the calibration screen, it will show you the most recent data collected from the most recent calibration. And to get the cert, you simply have to print the page. As you can see here, the full calibration is here. And we are going to go ahead and print this. And once that is printed, you now have your calibration certs for your Elite V2 test system. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or visit our website at botron.com.